Yo, welcome back. I have been uploaded in a while. So today I just want to showcase my obsidian setup. For some reason, my friend wanted to ask me about the setup, and I guess I will just record it and like show off some stuff. So this is like tried to use obsidian for managing to dos and stuff, but it didn't work for me. So I just like have a random notebook where I write all my to dos. And lately, I have a lot of things. Also, I have a journal. I've also indexed I've written some thoughts. Like I write mini thoughts. Like okay, let me show you. So suppose like this, right? It's very weak. Also, I have been working out a lot lately. So because of that, I think I haven't posted in a while, but videos are coming. And like some like I just wrote some topic and I forgot to write about it. Just random thoughts on my journal. That's it. um yeah, I just one day I was talking to my friend, and then over the playing games, we were playing games together, and then I had a thought about like what it means to have money, freedom, and what it means to have a family, right? So this is just that. This is just like, also I saw one video where they numbered the folders this way. I like it a lot because like 200 is for my degree. So this is for my data science class or data science degree. So like, if I want to go there, I will just control O, and then just 200, and then yeah. So it doesn't work for some reason most of the times. And yeah, and these are some to do's. Like I don't usually use, I initially made obsidian for managing my to do's and also writing stuff, but lately I've been just journaling over here sometimes if I feel like it. And lately I've been taking some notes. So yeah, so that like I've been studying about database management. This is a plugin, by the way, table of contents. I will show you my plugin, what plugins I have. So the core plugins are the same, right? Everything same. And then for this, I have this automatic table of contents, and then better export PDF and image size, also latex suite. So I will show you a problem. So before that, before suppose I go to this. So if I switch this plugin off image size, then if I take suppose I got a lot, I mainly use Obsidian for taking. Um, okay, first I will show you. Suppose I take this picture and then I paste it here, and then this takes up whole of the space, right? So the thing they say to do is like you can specify here you want this size, right? And so I didn't like this method, so I found one plugin for it. It is called, I think, yeah, image resize. So it just you go to the settings, uh, specify image file, like files path, and all my screenshots I save, all everything goes into this files folder. So every attachment I have automatically goes into this. So default image size, it is like 400, so I keep it 400. And then if I paste suppose one more, and then it automatically applies this tag, right? This 400. So and you can also resize it yourself. Okay, now for the default settings, um so wait, yeah, for files and links. So these are my settings for it. I highly recommend making a separate files folder, where suppose you paste a image, then if you don't do it, the image will come just here. But now if I paste image anywhere in this vault, we'll just it's like keeps the things cleaner, I guess, right? And then also appearance app things theme, yeah, it is pretty good. For the interface theme, yeah, these are all, I don't have much hotkeys. I don't have core. I like, yeah. So this is very cool. So what it does it is latex is self-explanatory. I can like use latex symbols here. So if I write in, and then yeah, so belongs to, and then 1 2 3 4. I am learning latex right now, so don't judge me. Dots, and then I think it, okay, wait, yeah, what, this is right, yeah, think this works, what, yo, wait, okay, okay, fuck this, yeah. So it is writing latex, right? In my things I sometimes write latex, so these are all latex, and then here this latex. So latex, like I've been practicing my latex, and I just write some stuff. So yeah, and then um, table of contents, right? Better export means like just exporting. So if I press this, there are two kinds of export: like export to PDF with the default, and then better export. So if you have this installed, then you can like set the margin, page size, and some extra thing, right? And also by default this has like white theme, but I didn't like the white theme. So I searched up the internet, and I think I um, had yeah, so I have this. So these are like dark PDF export CSS. So I found it off some GitHub or Reddit, I don't know, but I use this so that it makes things look darker and cooler. Yeah, and then okay, let me show you this plugin, automatic table of contents. So this plugin is pretty cool. So I was writing this, but I found that I got lost, like I had to scroll up, and then if I am studying for exam, suppose I know all this and I just need to go to set difference or something, or like just quickly seeing what these are, right? So I think this is really cool. So what you can do is just like you can just normally I just suppose the heading is uh, complexity. What complexity theory? Wait, I don't know how to spell. What? Yeah, and I also use Vim, by the way. And then here we have some da, 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 and then we have a subheading called Turing machines, right? And then we have a deterministic Turing machines. Yeah. So now, suppose I write something here, and then I write something here, paste something here, right? Now, if I want to apply the thing to it, I will just delete this. Yeah. And now, if I space command P, and then table of contents, and you will add this, and now yeah, so it just adds this table of contents thing, right? And then if you can go here, like yeah, yeah, this is my setup. I have nothing else, just some things I liked. I hope my friend can see this and get inspired, suppose, I don't know. And also let me show you how I take notes during a lecture. So suppose I go to YouTube and I search up some stuff. Suppose I am seeing, yo, okay, types tutorial, or complexity theory. Yeah. So then I'm doing this. So so suppose I want to take. So I do this. This is not a good lecture. Wait. Okay. Suppose I'm watching this lecture, right? Yeah. And I want to take a remember this. So it's pretty hard typing all this out in my notes. So what I do is I just will like say yeah. So now I just click a screenshot of it, and I just paste it here. Right. Now the beautiful thing is when you are revising in the notes, you can just go to this, take a look. If you want to take a look here, yeah. So this is how I use Obsidian. So I also have Emacs installed, but I tried using it, but I could not. Like the skill gap is high, and I also use syncing to sync my things to my mobile. So like my phone Android, so I can, and also my iPad, so I can see things from anywhere. Yeah, this is my setup. I hope you like it. I have to like still explore some of the stuff, uh, like tags for example. So I haven't used any tags here, but I think tags are a great way. So I can just put a tag here called uh, did I forget to how to put a tag? Yeah, so like cs, right? And then I go to this. I have um cs, yes. So then I can search up from anywhere cs. Your what? Yeah, I can test server cs, and I got two cs files. So this is my setup. This is completely raw.